Ginger root is one of the oldest and most popular natural remedies, and in my opinion, also one of the most delicious. Ginger root is very easy to find in most places, both in fresh and dried, and even pickled and candied preparations. This is one herb I always keep on hand. I know, say that a lot. For use in natural remedies for upset stomachs, respiratory issues, and even skin problems. Ginger is a root, a rhizome related to the turmeric root. To be exact, it grows as a tropical perennial with green shoots. They almost resemble bamboo, a related rhizome, with lance-shaped leaves and stalks of white or yellow flowers. As the name ginger root suggests, the part we use is the brown root system running underground between sprouts. This root, when peeled, contains a fibrous, juicy core that can be grated, chopped, minced, or ground. Culinary and medicinal uses in history. The ginger root grows in many places today and is widely available in most grocery stores, both as a fresh root and a dried and powdered spice. That wasn't always the case, though. Originally from southern Asia, ginger root was one of the first spices to be brought and traded from the Orient in ancient and medieval times. Arab spice traders would go to great lengths to protect their source, and even made up stories of ginger fields stalked by fierce people called troglodytes to do so. In this way, ginger gained quite a reputation as a sought-after commodity and even became woven into fables and literature. Even Shakespeare wrote, "In love's labour lost, had I but 1 penny in the world, thou shouldst have it to buy gingerbread." While ginger is certainly delicious for culinary use in recipes like gingerbread, ginger tea, curry, and the like, Chinese and Japanese medicine practitioners learned early on just how beneficial ginger is for health as well. Health benefits of ginger root. The best of East meets West in ginger, because current medical research agrees that ginger has a myriad of health benefits. Ginger root, in dried or fresh forms, is said to help soothe digestive disturbances, alleviate nausea, great in early pregnancy, reduce fever, calm coughing and respiratory troubles, stimulate the circulatory system, relieve muscle aches and pain, get rid of dandruff, lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure and cancer risk. Chinese or Japanese practitioners typically use fresh ginger medicinally to relieve dryness, and heat and dry to relieve dampness and chill. In-home remedies. Cough and cold remedies. I use ginger root both fresh and dried in several homemade cold and cough remedies. Try this cough syrup the next time illness strikes, or make it in cough drop form. Sore throat spray. Soothe the sore throat quickly with this homemade herbal sore throat spray. Wellness shots or tonics. Ginger added to elderberry syrup or elderberry tea offers extra immune benefits to ward off sickness in the first place or recover faster. Also, try a shot of this spicy fire cider for a boost of wellness. In capsules, fill empty capsules, made of gelatin, with dried ginger to take it in therapeutic doses to relieve morning sickness, indigestion, or even menstrual cramps. Or, buy ginger capsules. Add it to a hot bath. Add a few tablespoons of dried, powdered ginger root added to a hot bath is effective in relieving sore muscles or body aches, can also lower fever. I'm sure there are other ways to use ginger around the home, but these are the ones I've tried and loved so far.